Alright, I finally got some rims. These are Style 5 BBS RC090 BBS, and then they're on E39 BMWs. They come stock. These are 17x8 offset and plus 20, I believe. Not really sure. They all have center caps. They're in the car. They're in rough shape, but trust me, these are gonna be nice after this video and a few days of work. But I really wanted to do something myself. I wanted to like kind of refurbish or renew or refresh some wheels myself, because I'm really want to learn how to build wheels, and I thought this was a good start for it. These are 205/40, sorry, 205/40, yes, 205/40 17s, and 205/40 17, 205/40 17. This is 205/50 215/55, 215/45. I actually got two extra tires with it. I got 215/40s just like those, so these gonna have less sidewall and be more stretched, just like that, a little tiny bit stretch, baby stretch. So right now I'm just gonna start with giving them a nice wash, see what we're working with. Alright, it is the next day. It's beautiful outside. These Style 5s are clean, or clean enough for what we want to do. Now this step, we need to put the car on jack stands, and I would recommend putting all 4 on jack stands, just because your car's a rear wheel drive. So if the car is on and the front wheels are down on the bottom on the ground, it could kind of roll forward. You don't want to risk it, so just go ahead and put all 4 on jack stands if you can. If not, put something in front at least. But again, I would recommend putting all 4 on jack stands. So for this job, we got some sandpaper, depending on how bad it is. As you can see, I got some work to do. Nothing crazy though. You definitely need to get rid of this, I think, what is it, clear coat, or this, it's like a coat on top of it. You want to get rid of that so it starts getting a little shinier. I got Mother's mag and aluminum polish. This thing was $10 after tax and everything, from 10 something after tax from AutoZone, or you can buy $8.88 from Amazon, but this was like 9 something, so I was like, it's whatever. I got the big one. This is the polish that we're gonna use after sanding these lips down, and we have sandpaper depending on how bad the condition of your wheel is. You're gonna start from, I think I'm gonna start from 800, make my way up to 3000. And we got this that connects to the drill, so I didn't have to buy the whole like gun or something, whatever it's called. It's a buffing, polishing and finishing product pad. It connects to a drill, as you can see. This was $10, 10 something again, but this one was from O'Reilly. So we got $20 worth of product, and others that I got from Home Depot. I'm not sure how much it is. I've been having those. But yeah, as long as you have every tool, this should be free. But if you don't, it should be around like $20, $25, nothing crazy. Jack the car up, put these wheels on, put it in second gear. The rear wheel is gonna start spinning, and we're gonna get to sanding. All right, let's put it on jack stands. I'll do 800, 2000, 3000. You can, I don't really like jumping from 800 to 2000, but I'm not gonna go buy shit right now, you know, and then 3000 after. It's better if you have 1000 or whatever, but I might have to go lower than this because the edges are rough on some of them. But as of right now, I'm just gonna put this to this and let you guys know. Alright, let's do this. So you could wet sand it and stuff, but my shit's all bad, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water. The valve is killing me. It's like right there. I have to be careful. You want to put kind of pressure, not too much. Then be careful of the valve. I've been wasting so much time just trying to find my way back home. Now I'm losing so much friends. They all pretend like I Alright, looks pretty fucking good to me. I haven't even polished. I have to clean it one more time and then go over some spots with the sand, since this thing was spinning around all the time and I couldn't get it, so I would just like try to dodge it, as you guys saw in the video. From this and all this, we went to this thing looks solid. This was the dirtiest one, so I had to go through all these single ones. Now I'm gonna just polish it with little drill and the mothers. Fuck it. And we got officially our first scratch. Freshly polished rim. You serious? Fuck, bro. It's fine. One of the lug nuts fell on it. Alright, we're gonna start it.
Yo, I can't have that guy behind me, bro.
Alright, we're gonna start it.
What's tire size you got? 245. I got 205, fool. He's like behind me. I'm like, I can't have.
That's okay, you were going pretty fast.
My last setup was better though.
Yeah.
Way faster.
You have a drift setup. Or at least it's easy to skid because
I just have too much camber and then
Too much hella stretch because of the
Hey, what's up? What's up behind you?
because of the fitment. So it's really not functional.
So I cast it.
It looks like the caster's fucked up too, but it's not. If it goes in, it's gonna be normal.
You saw that suede M4?
Yeah, that's what I saw that. Documentary coming?
You know where he came?
He went all the way down there and came in.
What?
Not ready.
How? What the fuck? He went all the way down that way and then came back. Who? Him.
No way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought he
Taco Bell.
Bro, don't ducking your shit with this setup.
I mean, they have the BBS Vulcans and everything from Japan because over there.
Pause.
Yeah, versus JCS one. Yeah.
Too much negative camera, the tires are ass. My toes are stuck sand because the camera's in. What's up, bro?
Do you want to hear I got all my.
Fuck was that, Fred?
Consequences heavy, are you bitches ready? Step into my Chevy, aiming very steady. Calm down, you ain't scared now. You accept your fate, you can't relate, you bow down. Stop that bitchy shit, you never know who got the grip. Aiming at your head, bitch, gonna put your ass to bed. Night, night, bitches ready. Step into my Chevy, aiming very steady. Down, you ain't scared now.
Alright, how you guys doing? I never done this shit. It's just so weird. Cameras are literally in my face. I just wanted to add this at the end of this video because I feel like it might have been a little confusing for you guys to know what I mean, that I don't like this setup. By this setup, I mean how the car sits on the ground, how low it is to the ground, how my wheels are different and how my tires are different. My last setup, my last tires and wheels, I sold them. I bought these new wheels and put different tires on them. The tires I put on them, they're not as expensive and not as hardcore as the ones I had before. The ones I had before allowed me to take the turns a little bit at a higher speed because it was super sticky and they were performance tires. These ones are decent tires but not performance, like extra good tires that allow me to take the turns a little faster. So going up Skyline, going up Highway 9, as you can see in the video, I'm not able to go as fast as I used to, I feel like. But again, my cousin said it might just be you thinking that because I upgraded my suspension. He's saying maybe the car takes it better, so the limits of the car are higher, so you going the same speed feels slower in the car, if that makes sense. But I just wanted to let you guys know this setup is not meant to be driven as hardcore as my last setup, so I can't drive it as hardcore, I guess, because the car, it takes it, but I just feel like I'm closer to the limits of the car, so it's a little bit more dangerous. So I'm taking it down a notch on this setup. It's more for drifting than going fast on the turns. Thank you guys for watching, and I just did the explanation for any of the people who are curious to know about cars more or just need more explanation on the video.